Hi everyone, welcome to IFS Markets. I'm Laura. Today is the 23rd of July, and we'll be talking about Ally Financial. So we can see for the past 24 hours, there are 270 articles towards it. In the sentiment analysis, we can see people are feeling negative and the subjectivity is currently loading. However, if it's closer to zero, that means people are being more rational and vice versa. So it currently is 29%, which means people are being very rational. In trend analysis, the professionals at Trading Central are thinking that it may fall by 18.36%, a lot for stocks. However, if you're trading with CFD, you will have the option to sell it as well. So on top of the chart, they're saying short term, the downside prevails as long as 52.3 is resistance. Again, this is a daily chart. In the comment section, they're saying the RSI is below its neutrality area at 50, and the MACD is below its signal line and negative. The configuration is negative. Moreover, the stock is trading under both its 20 days and 50 days moving average. Below is a series of supports and resistances, and I hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to press the like, and also don't forget to follow our social media, Facebook and YouTube. Have a happy trading day and a good weekend. I will see you soon. Bye.